In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Cloudflare under attack mode. This setting is designed to help you protect your site when you notice unusual traffic spikes, bot activity, or a suspected DDoS attack. It works by placing a brief verification step in front of your site so legitimate visitors can still get through, while suspicious traffic gets filtered out. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into your dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed on your home screen. The account dashboard is your central place for managing security, performance, and DNS for each domain. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that owns the domain you want to protect. Next, click on the specific domain you want to secure. This takes you to that domain's overview page, which gives you a snapshot of traffic and key controls. If you don't land on overview automatically, select it from the left sidebar. The overview page is where Cloudflare exposes handy controls that you might need quickly during an incident. On the overview page, look for the Quick Actions area. Depending on your screen size, it may appear near the top or along the right side. In Quick Actions, you'll see a control labeled Under Attack Mode. Simply toggle this on. The change applies almost immediately across Cloudflare's global network, so you don't need to publish or save anything else. Once enabled, new visitors will briefly see a checking page while Cloudflare verifies their browser. Legitimate users typically pass this in a few seconds and proceed to your site. A few helpful notes while it's on. Under attack mode is best used as a temporary shield during active or suspected attacks. It's intentionally more strict than normal security modes, which means non-browser traffic, such as some API clients or automated tools, might be challenged. If your site powers mobile apps, webhooks, or integrations, consider notifying your team so they're aware requests may need to come from standard browsers during this period. You can keep an eye on your traffic and challenge rates in the analytics and security sections of your dashboard to gauge when things stabilize. If the spike subsides, return to the same Quick Actions panel and toggle Under Attack Mode off to restore the usual experience. If you don't see the toggle, confirm you're on the correct domain and the overview page. Then refresh your browser. And that's it. By using Under Attack Mode from Quick Actions, you can rapidly harden your site during an incident while keeping access open to real users.